Aston Martin has turned into the most recent carmaker to be gotten up to speed in a noteworthy review of flawed Daimler guiding section segments that can cause unintended airbag organizations. The British Games auto producer is reviewing every one of the 3,873 DB11 roadsters worked since late 2015, when generation of the leader demonstrate started, Aston Martin representative Kevin Waters affirmed. He said repairs would be completed to address an issue with the DB11 guiding segment upper. Daimler a year ago reviewed more than 1 million Mercedes-Benz autos fitted with directing segment parts additionally provided to Aston and Nissan. The Japanese carmaker's Infinity Image reviewed 17,500 influenced vehicles. The issue is random to a worldwide review of broken Takata and airbag inflators that have been rebuked for 20 passings. Lacking establishing in the Daimler units leaves their hardware powerless against electrostatic charges that can trigger unintended airbag organizations, as per prior notices. Mercedes announced a modest bunch of occurrences where drivers endured minor scrape spots or wounds because of the issue. No Aston Martin clients have detailed any such episodes to date, the organization stated, including the essential repair work would be completed gratis in under 2 hours.
Please subscribe to my channel.